1. Invitation to bid, where the project will be advertised, including how the procurement will be undertaken and what requirements the bidders or proposers need to submit. 2. Submissions of bids, the event wherein the bidders or proposers submit their proposals. Those proposals with lacking preliminary requirements will be disqualified. 3. Detailed evaluation, to see whether the bids or proposals submitted are technically and financially complying. 4. Post-qualification, to validate the documents submitted by the lowest complying proposer or bidder. 5. Awarding, wherein the lowest complying bidder or proposer will be informed that their proposal has passed the post-qualification process and to inform the other bidders or proposers of their non-compliance therewith. And lastly is the proceeding and contract execution, which is self-explanatory, I think, to carry out the project.